go for the a la carte menu, which is we have the starter on this two side and also the main course here and here this one. You can go for that big set grill menu on this side on the top here, and you can decide to select two type of meat and seafood, and you will have everything included on the image.
Okay, yeah. So is that good for how many person is that one set? That's too big for me.
You can try one set and plus some of this one.
Okay.
It's up to you, and you can into the kitchen. That's a pork set, please. Adding on the side.
Let's start to cook for me.
Just wait for around maybe 2 minutes for it to be heat.
2 minutes.
And then seafood set here.
Wow.
Everything else.
Very special. You sing for me because of you. Happy birthday. Daddy, it's not my birthday. It's our 18th anniversary. May kadate ako. Yan ang kadate ko. My ex-boyfriend. Kadate ko yan. For ex-boyfriend for 18 years. Yan. Kakain kami ng I don't know. Magluluto pa kami. Busog, gutom na. Tapos magluluto pa, no? Pero exciting.
And the sauce as well. So, absolutely okay.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy, guys.
Good for combining. Hindi isang person.
We can finish all of this, Daddy. Hirap man itong kumain ng ano. Mamaya kakamayin ko to. This is a beef.
A beef, beef.
Then, we'll eat. Tingnan niya. Kaya namin to. Ubusin namin to. Okay. This is how you will eat. Yan. Dito, marunong si Mr. ko magluto. Oh, si Mr. Benisiohan pa niya ako. Oh. Siya nagluluto para sa akin. Lagay mo na dito ga. Yung ano. Luto na. Yan. Thank you, Pangga. Okay. Tapos, kasi ayoko na magamit ng gagamit ng ano, ng ganito, hindi ako makabusog. Kaya alam niyo kung anong gagawin ko? Ito, magkakamay na ako. Sarap po. Kain tayo. Oh. Sarap. Yan, kimchi.
Sticky noodles eh.
Ito, masarap ito. Unlimited daw ito. Pwede pang manghingi kung ubos na. Pwede pa daw magdagdag. So, yummy, yummy. Tara, kain tayo. Kimchi. Alam niyo ito, kimchi. Loma. Kunti na lang natira. Maubos namin ito sa mister. Tapos ito, ganito. Yan.
Rice ko.
Tapos lagyan yan ng laman. Lagyan ng laman. Lagay ang laman dyan. Tapos ganyan. Tapos i-roll mo lang. I-roll. Tapos kakainin ng ganito. Diba?